Make this sofa poster design in Canva with zero design knowledge. Go to canva.com. Select 1080 by 1080 pixels for this project. First, go to Elements and add a white background. Set this image as the background. Add a blue sofa. You will use your sofa picture. Adjust the size and position. Go to Elements and add a shape. Corner rounding will be 10. Change the color to sofa tone. Adjust the size and position. Change the position to backward. Duplicate this shape and adjust the size and position. Add a shadow under the sofa stand. Add a hanging light. Add a line shape. Rotate it. Zoom the page and increase the line stroke weight. Add your furniture brand logo. I'm using a demo logo. Add a text. Change the font to Brittany. Add another text. Change the font to Poppins. Change it to left alignment. Adjust the size and position. Change the color to match with sofa tone. Duplicate this text. Change the color to white and regular font. Reduce the line spacing. Duplicate this text and make it uppercase. Add a website icon. Change the color to the document's color. Duplicate this text and make it regular size. Make the final adjustment if needed. Here is the final look. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check my description box for this design template. Thank you.